What is up, YouTube? Trade Mode James here with Zone Trading Group. Guys, in this video, you're going to watch me taking a live trade here on the US30, okay? We have a nice entry point down here at the bottom of this trend line, and we are, that's what we're doing right now. We're taking a breakout trade, all right? We're taking a breakout trade. We just entered another one, actually. We have $90 in profit on this trade. And I just want to show you guys that these setups work, all right? We've consolidated here for a minute. We trap price in between supply and demand, all right? If I pull this to the left, you'll see that we right here, demand, and I pull this to the left. We don't need to pull it to the left. Supply is right here. So we trapped the price, and we waited for price to get above that 20 SMA on the 5-minute time frame. And now you see price is just breaking out here of this wedge on the bigger play. And probably my big price target is going to be back up here towards all this liquidity up here. And that's going to be, probably a good play that I might hold. We'll see what happens if we find some resistance here at this supply zone up here where the institutions sell off. Maybe we'll just take profits, take partial profits, possibly. But we're going to stick around here for a few minutes to show you guys how far these breakouts can go on the US30, even after hours. This thing does run 24/7, but most of the action happens between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. But right now it's 6 o'clock at night over here where I'm at, and this thing's still running. So like I said, right now we're up $96.69 in profit. I am doing a $500 to $5,000 challenge on my channel, and we're gonna do that, guys. We're gonna do it. All right, so right now you're watching this happen. We're gonna take partial profits, maybe all profits up here at this zone, wait for the pullback, and then get back in on the retest. All right, let's see. And right now, just so you guys know, the equity in this account is $755.61. Started with $500 on the mark, all right? So we're up $251.61 in about 3 hours. So we had a good day today, making some money here, and hopefully this thing runs up to our level of resistance up here, supply zone where institutions have sold off with these institutional candles. And that's kind of what we're just waiting for here, guys. While we're waiting, make sure you guys hit the like button on this video. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified when I drop a video or go live. All right, this is what we do at nighttime, guys. We sit here and we trade and we make money when I'm hanging out at the house, and that's basically it. Play some video games, eat some good food, hang out with the girlfriend, and just trade and make some money. The real trading starts at midnight. That's when the Forex market, the London session starts for me, basically, and that is where we make our real money day trading, all right? If you guys want me to do more content like this, make sure you drop a comment, let me know. But right now, you guys are just watching this thing go. We'll drop down to a 3 minute so you guys can see a little bit more action. But this is how I do this, guys, all right? And I can't believe I give this out for free. Guys, just so you know, this is completely free information you're seeing right now. Not a lot of people know about this channel yet, but they will, all right? They will, I promise you. But right now you're getting free info, all right? So on the 5 minute, we've basically found this setup on the 15 minute, okay? We have supply demand price trap between supply and demand at the apex of a not a descending wedge, at the apex of a wedge in between bigger supply and demand zones. All right, so you see the macro view of the setup. Right, so supply, demand, draw my wedge, have my 20 SMA right there on the lower time frame, which I like to use. And then we find the smaller supply and demand zones down here, like maybe on a 5 minute. You see supply here and you see demand here. And that's what we've done. We've trapped the price. If the price were to break out to the bottom side here, we would be ready for a sell. Price broke out to the top, we're ready for a buy. That's kind of just what happens, all right? I got in early on this trade at liquidity down here, and so I've been in for a hot minute on this trade. I took a second trade at the breakout, so we are actually in 2 trades right now, up a total of $110.19 using proper risk management. My stop loss is down here around liquidity right now for the breakout trade. So if price were to come back in here, we get stopped out down there at that little area of consolidation. But it looks like we're going to run up to supply right now for sure. And that's kind of what we're hoping for. We don't want the pullback yet. We want to hit supply, then get that pullback, and then get in for the retest, making that big move up to the top zone up here. And that's kind of just what's happening right now. So we're just hanging out, making some money, doing the challenge. Guys, like I said, if you didn't know this, I am doing a challenge on my channel right now. $500 to $5,000 on the channel. Some of it will be on live stream during the day, and others times it'll just be recorded like this, but I will keep you updated on the status of this account that I have opened with Eagle FX. That is a Forex broker where you can get a lot of leverage, right? You can get up to 500 to 1 if you want it. All right, but right now, I think right now on this, we're using 100 to 1 leverage, I think. So 100 to 1, I believe. I have to go check, but I think it's 100 to 1. Anyways, right now we are up $104.13 on this trade. These 2 trades combined, okay? So like I said, I might take profits here if we start pulling back, and we might get a retest on this trend line here, I think, possibly. I'm gonna wait and see, because we do have some area to the left here. Use our horizontal array. We're gonna have some resistance here, all right, which we kind of did, and actually it's gonna be about right here if you look, which is actually spot on. All right, spot on. And we'll see if we break through that line. If not, we might come back down for the retest. We might do it. But that's a good trade. If we pull out my long tool here, we're gonna see that on the breakout, just the breakout alone, we're giving ourselves. We take profit at the bottom of the zone, and stop loss right here at structure. We're basically giving ourselves 4.5 to 1 on this trade. So that was a really nice trade on the breakout trade. All right, that was just a really nice trade. 4.5 to 1. You can't ask for better than that. So basically, that's just a good trade. It's just an all-around good trade. We'll try to make this video short and sweet. I don't know if I'm going to take profit here or not. We'll see. I might take partial here at this resistance line, and then let the rest ride. You know what I mean? Lock in the profit. Might even move my stop loss to break even. In fact, I might do that right now. Actually, possibly, maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna wait just a moment here. See what happens. Maybe I won't get greedy. On my bigger account, I tend to hold these positions until I actually, either get stopped out or hit my take profit. But since we're doing such a small account and trying to compound, quickly for the sake of the channel, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take profit here. We're coming back for a retest. All right, taking profit on these trades, guys. Close order. We made $97 on these trades. All right, so nice equity right now on the account, $732.11. All right, we could have took a little bit more, but yeah, so we're up $232.11 for the day on this account. Nice. A couple more days of that, we're going to be all the way up in our goal, all right? As long as we don't make any bad trades. But just wanted you guys to see this, all right? We're already forming kind of like a retest thing. Probably coming back down to this zone for a retest where if it does do that, I'll be entering again. So I'll keep you guys posted on the account, all right? Peace and love from my end. Trade Mo James signing out. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Peace.